How to add a page border in Google Docs. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can add a page border upon your text on your Google Docs. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, go ahead and open a new tab and go onto your Google Docs. Now, as you can see that this is a text file. In order to add a border, you will see an option of Insert. Click onto it. Here, click onto Drawing and click onto New. Then at this page, you can add shapes. Go to Shapes and click on any border that you would like. Once you draw the border, you can go ahead and choose the color. Switch it to transparent. Once you do so, go ahead and click on Save and Close. Now, in order to put this border behind your text, you will see this option in your second last. Here it says Behind Text. Just click onto it. And just like so, this is how you can add border in your Google Docs. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos like this, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.